The Home Affairs Ministry has hit out at an Instagram post by YouTuber Priti Nair and her brother Subhas Nair. It said their statement was insincere and a spoof of an earlier apology issued by Nets and creative agency Havas Worldwide.
It also shows contempt for many Singaporeans who have expressed concern at the racist rap video.
MHA says it's not the first time the pair have expressed racist sentiments. Ms. Nair mocked the Chinese community's practices, cultures and traditions in a video a year ago, while Mr. Nair wrote a song recently as part of this year's National Day celebrations, which says that Singapore condones systemic discrimination. The ministry said it will also take action whenever there are offensive statements that breach the law, regardless of the offender's race. Police investigations are still ongoing. The statement came in response to the siblings' Instagram post. It said the message behind the music video was that opportunities must be for everyone. For that reason, K. Muthuswamy, well known for his ability to address privilege, power and censorship in a single production in a light-hearted way, was selected as the face of this music video. He speaks to characters from all walks of life in Singapore, bringing home the point that only some people truly pay. The duo said they were sorry for any hurt unintentionally caused by the video, and behind it was an initiative to provide a greater consciousness to consumers, corporations and the many faces of Singapore. But the duo's post seemed to closely resemble the statement issued on Sunday by Nets, creative agency Havas Worldwide, and MediaCorp's celebrity management arm, the Celebrity Agency. Many phrases found in the statement were found in their Instagram post, with various parts amended. The siblings were behind a controversial rap video which criticized an ePay ad for its portrayals of different races in Singapore by MediaCorp's Chinese celebrity Dennis Chu. The 3-minute clip, laced with profanity that targeted the Chinese, was shared on social media a few days ago. Police said on Tuesday it was investigating the video for offensive content after a report was lodged. On the same day, the Infocom Media Development Authority issued a notice to take down the video. MediaCorp also issued a statement saying that the portrayal of some races in the advertisement was done in an insensitive fashion. It also said it would take full responsibility, apologized unreservedly, and have more stringent safeguards in place to prevent a repeat of such a mistake. Ministers and religious leaders also weighed in to criticize the video, with Law and Home Affairs Minister K. Shanmugam saying that a line has to be drawn on videos that attack another race.